Then call my man.
Oh, you bought my person.
Then call my man.
My personal person. The international teller.
It's me.
I can see.
That's the Bond Street gown.
Bond Street there for plot too. It's really straight.
Yeah, said let's go.
So how far now?
Straight. I'm fine. Where have you been since?
My dear, I'm so sorry. My mother was very sick, so I have to travel to go see her.
Sorry.
Thank you so much.
So my card, day first day, yesterday, today.
Okay. That's nice. How much did it?
This morning now, 4,000 I will give you.
Okay.
250 for customer.
The international seller.
But I have 6,000 at home.
Okay. Then I have to wait for you, so you go and bring it.
Yes, let me go and bring it.
Let me sign.
Then go my man.
Oh, you go my person. I like
I
the way
even
they supply.
discussed you with one of my friends.
For real?
Yes. She says she's looking for somebody that she'll be saving her money with because the woman she used to save with has moved away. So I told her, Denko is your man.
You're my person.
Denko is your man.
Because I'm going to bank her money very well.
I know that. Denko.
I don't sign.
No. This one. That Thursday.
I don't sign for you for
That
Thursday.
Thursday, your bed don't know what.
You sharp, eh?
Denko, my
You
man.
sharp, eh? If you leave that one, I'll make a chop
No.
up now.
Thank you.
Okay, take. Let me work for you, so go and bring it. Eh?
Yes.
Okay. When you put my person, let me work for you. Eh?
Let me quickly get to the other one. For yesterday.
Please be fast. I'm waiting for you.
Okay. So this is the saving man I told you about, Denko.
Okay.
This is okay.
Ross, welcome.
Thank you, my dear. How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Okay.
Hope he's trustworthy.
Very, very trustworthy. Even look at his shoe, you know that he has sense. If not for them, I would not have saved anything. It's a moving back.
Yes,
Okay.
Yes.
my dear, listen. Don't be scared of anything, eh? Don't be scared of anything. I work with Sonia Bank and I'm a staff with them. Okay? You don't have to be scared of anything.
Okay, well, that's better. At least now I'm happy knowing my money is safe.
Very safe. Very, very safe.
Very, very
you
safe.
don't have any problem.
I talk with you, they talk now.
It's a moving back.
Yes, I'm a moving back. Hey.
Let me get to the money.
No problem.
Hey, let me be going to my shop. This is Denko bought coke for himself. He did not buy for me.
If I'm going to your shop, I'll buy for you. At least I'm the one banking for you. You have enough money. So you should buy it
Thank
for me.
you.
Yes.
Let's go.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.